In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Klaviyo. Landing pages are an essential tool for capturing leads and driving conversions. And with Klaviyo, setting one up is straightforward. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you've accessed your account, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find a variety of options. What you need to do is locate the website drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to the tools you'll use to manage your online presence through Klaviyo. After you've clicked on the website dropdown, you'll see several options appear. Among these, you'll want to select Landing Pages. This option is specifically designed to help you create and manage the landing pages for your campaigns. With the Landing Pages section open, the next step is to click on the Create Landing Page button. This action will initiate the process of setting up a new landing page from scratch. It's your blank canvas ready for customization. Now, it's time to get creative and define the specifics of your landing page. You'll need to start by giving your landing page a name. This name is for your internal reference, so choose something that will help you easily identify the page later. Next, set the page title. This is what visitors will see, so make sure it's clear and engaging. Additionally, you'll need to select the subscriber list you want to associate with this landing page. This is crucial because it determines where any collected emails will be stored. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, take a moment to review your entries. Ensure that everything is accurate and reflects your goals for the landing page. When you're satisfied with your setup, go ahead and click Create Landing Page. This final step will save your settings and publish the page, making it ready for use in your marketing strategy. And there you have it. You've just created a landing page in Klaviyo. Remember, a well-crafted landing page can significantly enhance your marketing efforts by effectively capturing leads and driving engagement. So take the time to experiment with different designs and messages to see what works best for your audience. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and are now ready to create compelling landing pages to support your campaigns. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy marketing!